latest horse in the stable is this 1981 Rough Rider rough terrain articulated forklift. Myself and the outfit picked it up there yesterday. I had it here at my place doing a few jobs, but don't worry, the crane is not going to go to business. This is going over to the main farm to help him out because he's 80 now and he can't be fucking around. But I'll just show you a few of the things that I think are really cool. First of all, you've got your mast. You've got your forks. I had to do a little bit of a repair there, but apart from that, all is good. It's got a serious tilt in it. Look at the travel on them arms. So you can have her right back. I presume that's for, I don't know, some sort of agricultural purpose. And I can absolutely categorically say, you may be a certified forklift driver, but unless you've got an agricultural experience, you won't get this thing. Alright? So we start at the back. So you've got a shaft here at the back. For those of you who don't know, no, that is not a PTO. This lever up here is your decompression lever, and this is a swing start. Now, I presume this counterweight could be what they call aftermarket, because it says it's rated for 1.5 tons, but it has not refused anything I've tried to lift today. I don't know how you're going to use your swing start with your counterweight. But anyway, she's on the button. There's no need for the swing start. So now we get to the controls. So someone has helpfully put down the gear sequence. And this thing, while it's 1981, I feel like it's sort of, its ergonomics are way back. I mean, ergonomics was a big word like marmalade to whoever designed this, because I'll show you now. So foot pedals are fine, they're okay. Steering wheel is okay. Now, it's not, I don't know the word, but you have to do some serious twisting, so you need to be careful. However, I'm not the tallest person in the world, but even for the tallest person in the world, it's a fair stretch for the levers. It's the one in the middle is redundant, but you have one to lift the mast and you have one to tilt. And unlike most forklifts, you pull back. No, you push forward to go up. So you may switch the hoses in that, because every other forklift in the world you pull back to go up. And then the gear lever as well. It's a fair bit out there. So there may be some little modifications you might do. And then again, I don't know what was going on with the ignition here. It's under this lovely little flap here, which means you can only start it with your right hand. Anyway, but now we get into the meat and bones of it. Wash for now. On this side, I do have an eye like the far side, but I'm not overly worried. There's the fuel tank. She's absolutely on the feather. So, but yeah, the other thing is, most forklifts, they won't start when they're in gear or whatever. You more or less this could start in gear, so you have to make sure your stick is in neutral. You push your stopper. Here you go. Feather the key. But I suppose, as they say in the antiques trade, a bit of the providence. So this was bought in 1981 by a beef farmer up in the Sperrin Mountains. He has had it since new. I bought it off his son-in-law because the man passed away. But the battery box will tell you all you need to know. So someone has put a bit of care and attention to this. Look at that, she's all insulated. Cared for. Great boy. The other thing is, the son-in-law said that this man absolutely loved this little forklift. It was his pride and joy. And I can tell you one thing: that if the Gardner engine puts out some heat, if you were up in the Sperrin Mountains, even in the coldest day of winter, that thing is like a radiator right beside you, just radiating heat. So nice little machine. So one thing I forgot to do is the brake. So it's not a handbrake, so it's kind of an engine brake. So there's, watch the linkage there now. Isn't it cool? Just clips onto that flywheel there, which spins away nice and merrily. Health and safety, doesn't matter.